And so we begin this video. Welcome back to my hometown theme park, Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Look at that skyline, that coaster skyline. There goes Cheetah Hunt. There's a new ride. And just a few days, on February 27th, will be the official opening of the brand new Serengeti Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if it's your first time. Not my first time at Busch Gardens. Oh, no, no, no. I've been coming to this park for a long time. There's a voice. It said, welcome to Busch Gardens. They know we're here. They know we're here and we're about to preview the brand new ride. Thanks to Busch Gardens Media for inviting us out today for a special sneak peek. I will be able to ride the Serengeti Flyer, a brand new spring and swing ride that we've been talking about here on this channel for a couple months now. I was just out here a couple weeks ago for Mardi Gras with Chris the Girl, and I gave a little construction update and was talking about how much I was excited to come out here, and little did I know, a couple weeks later, I'd be riding the thing. So yeah, you clicked on this video. If it's your first time here, come on back, subscribe below. I am Tampa J, and there is always much ahead. And I have checked into the media event right here underneath the tent. They handed me this little pass. Media Day, February 23rd, 2023. That's today. They said someone is gonna come from the park and escort me back to the Serengeti Flyer. So it begins right here. And here we go. The Serengeti Flyer officially opens on the 27th for everyone, but tomorrow, the 24th, pass members can begin riding it. So check out the Busch Gardens website to see if you're a Busch Gardens pass member when you can come and preview the Serengeti Flyer yourself, or you could just wait until the 27th. Okay, we are now in the park. My tour guide up ahead. I'm in a little group here. We're heading back to the event. And here we go, the first sign. Really, it's the sign, Serengeti Flyer. Okay, this is the entrance. Now, a couple weeks ago, this was like a blue wall, and they hadn't even poured the concrete. So right here, these barricades, these are separating. Oh, there's the swing out there. Okay, all right. So we're taking it all in. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm so stoked. Okay, so we're gonna go back here and then eventually ride the Flyer. Here you go, a brand new walkway. Yeah, they were just creating this like a couple weeks ago when we were here. They hadn't even poured the concrete for this queue, so this is exciting. And here we go, my reaction real time. The first look at Serengeti Flyer. And here it is, not going right now. They're changing shift up there. Serengeti Flyer, there's the sign. We're gonna walk around. There are a lot of folks out here from the media, different outlets and whatnot, YouTube, news, you name it, Instagrammers, TikTokers. I will be among those today. And here's the test seat, check it out. And I got word I will be able to film with my GoPro, so you all will be coming with me, you'll be riding with me. First look at the Serengeti Flyer, check out this seat. Very purple. Look how the lap bar just kind of comes over from the side. All right, let me test this out. Let's see how I fit in there. Okay, that comes down like that. All right, I can work with this. This is comfy. Not bad at all. Height check, must be at least 48 inches to ride Serengeti Flyer. All right, I made it. I think I made it. And a closer look at the Serengeti Flyer sign to get the detail. Also, they have planted some flowers down here to match it. Suits it well. There you go. First look at the Serengeti Flyer queue. And it looks like they're loading up the next crew through the queue. There's a little grassy area out here. They fit it right here in the middle of the Serengeti. There are animals all around us. And out beyond the queue, way out there, you've seen the green track of Kumba. Just to show you for perspective purposes where it is. So if you're heading back to Pantopia, it's right before the elephants. Oh, look at this. First to ride the Serengeti Flyer. I gotta take one of these buttons for sure. Even though I haven't ridden it yet, I will be one of the first to ride it very soon. Might as well take it now, right? Okay, approaching it. Oh, it's about ready to take off. This is good. I'll show you the outside before I show you the inside before I ride it. See this thing take off. Real time here. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh, that thing's already moving. I might have to back up a little bit. Oh, wow. This is amazing. Oh man, I can't wait to ride this. I'm gonna back up. Whoa! I like that sound it makes. It's like a swoosh. Hold the camera still. Hold on. There you go. Oh, that thing's really getting up there. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm ready for this. Much ahead. See how long it lasts. Wow, it keeps going. Let me back up a little bit. First look, Serengeti Flyer. Okay, now it's slowing down. Okay, that's not bad. What was that? Less than 2 minutes? Fantastic. They loved it. We've got clapping. And there it is, slowing down. So yeah, you've got 20 seats on each side, and they face either side, so you could either sit on the left or the right, on the back or the front. Anxious to see where I sit. I believe this thing is pneumatic. Check out the air tanks to the right and to the left. These are giant tanks here. Wow. All right, I better hop in line soon. But first, on the way, got to check out the queue here. Pretty simple queue. We've got shade. All right, I'm digging it. I like it. Okay, this area cleared out. I'm gonna begin walking up the queue and climbing aboard. Okay, real time, walking through the queue, a little virtual tour. Looks like they have the quick queue to the left and also the handicap entrance. The general entrance, also a handicap entrance to the right, and another height check right here. There's a little pole here, just in case, 48 inches to ride. So we're gonna go into the general entrance. It looks like the queue's all open, of course. Not too many folks are in line right now, just for the event. I like these lanterns. They're very Busch Gardens looking. Also, you've got, I wouldn't say the big fans, but a pretty big one, you know, bigger than most. Also continuing through the queue, quite a folks over here to the left. Oh, looks like, I didn't realize it, but there's some refreshments over here and some food for the immediate event, so I'll have to cash in on that. And so, I will be riding on Gondola B. They're positioning it here. We're up next. There's one more swing before I swing. And there's a little dot system here. This is how they line you up on these dots. Kind of reminds me of
and then we have a couple
Twister. Wow, that air, that feels great. Nice little burst of air as it flies by, no pun intended. All right, here we go. Gondola B. Wow, this is awesome.
Can I get 2 more for this arm?
All right.
Primary seat for you, right there.
Right there? Yeah. Thank you, sir. Here we go. This is B. All right, putting the lap bar down. All right, I got my hat in the hand. Also, Busch Gardens Media is recording this as well. There are cameras mounted here. A 360 camera and a GoPro to my left. That is me.
And rolling.
Thank you.
Slating.
Much ahead.
There you go. All right, have a great time.
Thank you. All right, they have slated me. That's the first time I've been slated. Oh, we're going backwards first. Oh, wow, this is nice. Woo! Oh, that feels good. So this is the fastest and tallest of its kind. Whoa, oh my gosh. Okay, that, I have never felt that before. Oh my gosh, that feels good. Woo, arms up. Oh my. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's amazing. I love that. Oh, that feels good in the tummy. Oh, the tummy. Okay, I'm a little scared right now. Whoa! Wow, this thing goes up to 68 miles per hour. Oh, wow. Okay, this is the worst one yet. Oh my gosh! Woo! Amazing! I'm gonna have to put that in the title. It's amazing! Oh man, I feel like everything's just gonna fall out right now. Whoa! Woo! Okay, now we're slowing down. Okay, I had enough. But it was a good enough. That was perfect. Wow, that felt great. It slows down a lot quicker than it speeds up, that's for sure. All right, much ahead. Okay, that was amazing.
Welcome back, riders.
I felt like I was gonna fall out, which I love that. If you don't like that, yeah, but I think this might be one of the greatest thrill rides I've ever ridden. It's that fun, guys. All right, I've disengaged. Check it out. Next crew coming in. That was fantastic. Wow. All right, wow, Serengeti Flyer. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I didn't come out here, I'm not gonna say I didn't come out here with low expectations, but I really didn't come out here with any. That just blew me away. I've never felt anything like that on a roller coaster. When you're swinging back and forth, and then when you get up and you're kind of looking face down there and everything's just like hanging loose. I always hang loose, by the way. That was scary. Oh, they just cued the music behind me. All right, they got the music bumping, but yeah, if you like thrill rides, there's not one like this I've ever ridden before. So here you go, Busch Gardens Serengeti Flyer. I can officially put on the button now. First to ride. Button, who's got the button? I'm trying not to stab myself. I've done that before. Oh, who remembers that? Yeah, look at this. That's pretty cool. If you take a screenshot, it'll last longer. Did you get it? Hope you got it. And they have several treats out here for us. Chips, ooh, even some gummies here, and beverages. I could use a little water. And there goes the Serengeti Express in the background. They get a nice little view, sneak preview of the Serengeti Flyer. Yes, they do. Looks like this crew is about ready to take off. So this moment right here, when it gets quiet, now, do you hear the air? As soon as you hear that air, you got movement. And right here, this first swing, it's all right, it feels good. I think it's about the third swing. The one after, okay, no, it's right there, you can hear them. That's the second swing, that's when you start feeling it. Here they come back. Amazing. Whoa! Walking back, I hear people going, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, I think I heard curse words. That's what I was thinking. Amazing, Serengeti Flyer. Oh yeah. Oh, let me hold it still up here so you can catch them. It's hard to get it all in the frame. So yep, opening up on February 27th, come on out. And if you do, tell them Tampa J sent you. Thank you, Busch Gardens Public Relations, for having us out. Always much ahead here on this channel, especially at Busch Gardens. Some of my favorite theme park events. Been coming to this park since I was a teenager. Love it. And back out here at the front entrance, here is the signage right here. Before the Elephants and Pantopia. Well, hello, Mr. Penguin. Oh, well, goodbye, Mr. Penguin. Hey. Don't paddle away from me. Oh, okay, that's okay. That's all right, I get it. It's hot outside. All right, everyone, are you ready for this? Are you ready? Say hello to my little friend, Flamingo. You know I couldn't come to Busch Gardens and not say hello to my flamingos. Oh yes, there's more on the other side, but I'm passing by these flamingos. They don't get enough attention, not like the other ones. This one here, I think he's listening. Oh, he's coming this way. Here he comes, he hears my voice. Come here, my friend. Come home with me. Oh wow. Hey, over here. Yes, you. Oh, this is amazing. No, no, back here. Oh no, there's another one right there. Flamingos. Flamingo in the wrong way. Why do flamingos stand on one leg? The way their legs work means that they can rest all of their weight on one side without having to use their muscle to maintain balance. In case you didn't know, right? That's right. Danger. Do not cross. Flashbacks to the weekend adventure with Chris the girl in the Everglades. Alligator. Oh yeah. If you missed the last video, also Chris the girl was with me as well. She made a video. We went down the most alligator infested road in Florida, so check out that one in case you missed the notification. But for now, enjoy a look at this fella. He's sleeping. He's big. He's fed very well. Oh yeah. All right, I decided to come out the normal exit, the main entrance and exit. Thank you for visiting Busch Gardens. Well, thank you for having us again, Busch Gardens. Oh yeah. All right, everyone, if you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, subscribe below and come on back, because there's always much ahead. Thanks to Busch Gardens for having us out. It opens the 27th, so you can come out yourself and experience what I just did. Serengeti Flyer is no joke. It's a real thing. It's awesome. I really enjoyed it. So thanks for having us, Busch Gardens. Also, if you're a past member, you can come out here tomorrow. Actually, today, if you're watching this video, the 24th, the past member previews begin. And then on the 27th, everyone can fly on the Flyer. That's right. All right, guys. Know you're awesome, know you're loved, and no matter who you are, what you're going through, there's always much ahead here at Busch Gardens and beyond. See you next time. All right, gotta go buy some fazoli's, take it home to my beautiful fiance. Here I come, Chris the girl. We're having Italian tonight. Hope you like Italian, just like Beetlejuice said. And there goes Montu. Montu with that newer paint job. Montu, yeah. Love that coaster. Gotta ride that again soon. And you know it's a tradition. I'm bringing home dinner, babe. Here I come, Chris the girl. I have overloaded us with fast, fresh Italian. Oh, goody, good stuff. All right, everyone. There is munch ahead. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye. See you soon. Big plans this weekend. Hitting the road. Once again, always much ahead. Fazoli's. Fazoli's real Italian. So fresh.